What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a mod install on buildcraft for the client 1.0. And I'm going to do this on Mac. So first thing you want to do is you want to right click on Finder, hit new Finder window, go to Library, Application Support, Minecraft, and what you want to do is just basically take your saves, copy it, paste it to your desktop, and do the same with your texture packs. And now that that's done, you can go back and delete your Minecraft folder, and then go open your Minecraft client, run it, and get a new set of folders, but you'll have to log in, so just let me do that real quick. And it'll, as you can see, it's downloading the new packages and everything because we just deleted it. But yeah, installing this mod is very simple, very easy to do. You need mod loader MP, and the mods. As far as I know, I mean, it's worked for me. So, and there it is. There's the new Minecraft folder. And when you open it, it should look like this. And what you can do is you can just get rid of these and then drag these back in here. You can go ahead and hit replace anyway. Just throw them in here, and you should be good to go. And your bean should look like that and all that other good stuff. So now we get to the install. Open up your browser of choice. I use Chrome. What the hell is that? I'm not even gonna try to pronounce his name. Anyway, for this you'll just go to buildcraft.com, and you can just go over to the install tab, or the download tab rather, and say download for Minecraft 1.0.0. And I will probably do an install because I have a server and it runs with buildcraft as well. And what you want to do is there's these for the client and then these for the server. Now my server does not run on the newest version of the buildcraft client. I will go ahead and show you how to install it on the new buildcraft client, but mine runs on 2.2.8. My server does, so I have to use that version, so I'll have to go back and put my stuff back on, but I can show you how to do this. It's really easy, really simple, but my internet's being stupid, so you'll have to bear with me for that. But once you get all these downloaded, I'll come back. As you can see, I'm just downloading the last of the buildcraft client mod folders, I guess. There it goes. Okay, so all those are downloaded. Quit your browser because you can see they're all here. I suggest you make a new folder and name it buildcraft. And then just make sure you get these. There should be 6 of them, and put them all in there. These are just extras that I accidentally downloaded, so we'll just kind of get rid of those. Okay, so now that you have this, you stick that on your desktop somewhere. You'll say Finder, new Finder window, and we're not going to install it quite yet because we still have a couple things to download. Now if you go back to the buildcraft website, you'll go to the install, tab, and there should be a link to the other mods that you need. Go to manual client installation, and then go down and you'll see that you need modloader and then modloader MP. So you'll just open these in new tabs, and oh, I forgot, you also need Minecraft Forge. So just open those up. Eventually they'll load, and we should be good to go. And you can use the latest version of the modloader, modloader MP, and Minecraft Forge with the older versions of buildcraft. So that's all good. And you can also use the old versions of buildcraft with a 1.0.1 server, which is what I'm doing. And if you want to know how to do the server install, um, it's really very simple. There's a website you can go to where you can download a bucket server that has it already installed, and you can just go there and download it. It's very simple, very easy to do. I mean, all you do is download it and replace it with the craftbucket.jar that you already have, and you should be good. And we want the client, not the server. So you'll just go add fly, because AdFly is like a promotional thing. So if you use that, they can get a little bit of money and show support for their, you know, stuff. Anyway, there's modloader. That's cool. Now we'll get out of there, and we'll wait for this to finish. And as soon as these are done, I will be back. So I went ahead and I downloaded the Minecraft Forge, modloader MP, and modloader. Now what you want to do in here is you want to go to library, application support, and then back to the Minecraft folder that we redid earlier. Go into your bin and right click the Minecraft.jar, say open with, and the unarchiver. If you're running on Snow Leopard, you'll have to compress it and then double click it, and it will open up and you'll be able to do this. If not, you can just use archive utility, but online you have to use the unarchiver, which is free. You can get it from the Mac App Store, all that good stuff. Now if you want to, and just make sure that you have a good copy, all you have to do is rename this, and I just put a bunch of random numbers at the end of it just to so that it won't recognize it as this. And what you can do is you can just click here and rename this .jar and say add, and it'll use this file instead of this one. So just open this, and we're gonna install modloader MP, and then we'll install modloader first, and then modloader MP, and then Minecraft Forge. Alright, so modloader and all that other stuff is very simple to install. All you do is select all the files inside, command or Apple C, and then go into the Minecraft jar, Apple V, apply to all, replace. It's basically the same thing with the other files as well. So, and then you'll do modloader MP, which is the same thing. Just copy and paste. Apply to all, replace. It's basically just over and over again. And what this does is, if you don't do this in order, it may not work. I'm not sure, but when I did this a while ago and I didn't follow this method, it didn't work. So, and now what you want to do, now that you have all the mod loaders installed, is just not that, is just run your Minecraft folder. And what this will do is, in this folder, it'll create a mods folder. And then all you have to do from there is take the files that are in your buildcraft folder and put them straight into the mods folder like they are zipped up. Do not open them. Just put them straight in the mods folder, and they should work perfect. As you can see, it opened up and all my worlds are here. and it should make, yeah, there it is. So just open this up, open up your buildcraft, copy, and paste, and you should be good. Now make sure you don't have any copies. Like, see, we got core, builder. See, there's two builders. This isn't right. And then there's an energy, and there's another energy, and then there's a factory. So this one needs to go away, and this one's, actually that one will stay. And then this one has got to go. So here, somewhere we left one behind. Have to check the trash real quick. Let's see. We got the core, builder, energy, factory. We need transport. Okay, we got the transport, energy, factory, core. Alright, we should be good. Now that those are installed, you should be able to just run Minecraft and it should be installed. Looks like it's running fine. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm also going to do install tutorial on Optifine. I need it for my worlds just because my computer's not that great, and I basically have to have it for it to work well, I guess. So, just for preparation, open your bin, open your minecraft.jar, and just minimize that folder. And you're done with the buildcraft folder, so you can just close that up. And what you can do is you can make a Minecraft stuff folder and just throw all this stuff in it. Just throw it all in there, and modloader, all that's old, so just replace all that. So now what you do is you just go to your browser, go to Google, type in Optifine, it'll take you right here. And what I do is I get the FPS boost plus HD textures, just because generally when I run it with buildcraft installed, I get around 8 to 9 FPS, and it's terrible. It is just terrible, and that's on tiny. So with Optifine, with this version of Optifine, I can run on far and 25 FPS. It's really insane how much, difference this makes. And let's see. Standard for Minecraft, built-in support for textures and all that other stuff. This mod has support for textures and a lot of options. Better looks for performance. Doubling the FPS is common. So what you want to do is get this one here, and I always go with download 1. So this should be downloading pretty soon. Man, it's being kind of stupid lately, but whatever. Prepping download request. Alright, well, I guess I'll be back when this is done too. Oh wait, is it ready? Yeah, sweet. Alright, so just close that down. Unzip this. You can just double click it. The unarchiver works on this as well. You don't have to have archive utility. And this is basically the same as the mod loader and mod loader MP. Just copy. Go back down here to your minecraft.jar page. Sorry, I burped. And paste them inside. Apply to all, replace. And don't worry about replacing these files. It will still work. I have done this many times. So just run this, and it should run pretty well. Rainbow Wheel of Death. Anyway. Yeah, as you can see, it's running. I have to change my options because this GUI scale is way too big. There we go. And we should be good to go. Yep, looks like we're good to go. And I need to do this and that and that. This is the best options to have it on, except for this. That's the best way to have it right there. Anyway, that's about it. Um, thank you all so much for watching. This has just been a super easy install on buildcraft. And let's see. Actually, I'm gonna go make some pipes just to make sure, just to show you that it's working. Yep, see, there's some wooden transport pipes. You can place these down. Wooden transport pipes don't actually connect together because they act as a pump to pump items out of a chest. Like say you wanted to pump stuff out of this chest and into this furnace. See how they connect to the furnace? And then you would just like have a stone pipe transporting to this, and you would like transfer whatever was in here into the. You get my point. Anyway, thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.